In today's video, we're going to look at 5 amazing adjustable laptop stands that will elevate your work-from-home setup. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to find out more about each of these stands. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Pick My Trends for more great product reviews. First up, we have the Tonmom Adjustable Laptop Stand. This sleek black stand is perfect for laptops ranging from 10 to 15.6 inches. The ergonomic design allows you to adjust the height from 2.78 inches to 6.5 inches, ensuring you're always at eye level, which helps reduce neck pain and eye strain. The triangle support design ensures stability, while large anti-slip silicone pads keep your laptop securely in place. The open design improves airflow, keeping your laptop cool during heavy tasks. At just 0.57 pounds, it's lightweight, portable, and folds neatly to fit into your backpack, ideal for frequent business travelers. Next, we've got the Amazon Basics Ergonomic Laptop Stand. This stand is a fantastic option for anyone who wants flexibility and comfort at their desk. This stand can accommodate laptops and tablets up to 17.3 inches. It's made from durable, rust-resistant aluminum, with a sturdy base that can hold up to 11 pounds, making it perfect for heavier laptops like the MacBook Pro or Dell XPS. It features an ergonomic height adjustment of up to 7 inches, which improves posture by lifting your screen to eye level, helping you reduce neck and back strain. The hollow design also promotes great airflow, keeping your laptop cool even when you're multitasking on heavy projects. Third on our list is the Lamicall Adjustable Laptop Stand. If you're looking for an elegant and functional solution, this is a great pick. Compatible with laptops from 10 to 17.3 inches, this stand offers adjustable height and angles, ensuring you can always find the most comfortable viewing position. Made of high-quality aluminum alloy, it's durable and provides excellent stability, even when you're typing away on your laptop. Plus, the anti-slip silicone pads keep your laptop from sliding, while the ventilation holes improve airflow and reduce overheating. Coming in at number 4 is the Gogoonike Adjustable Laptop Stand. This one is great if you need something both sturdy and portable. Made from sturdy metal, this stand can support laptops weighing up to 17.6 pounds, and it features adjustable height and angle settings to suit your needs. The foldable design makes it easy to carry, and it's compatible with laptops between 10 and 15.6 inches. The multiple ventilation holes ensure your laptop stays cool during use. And last but definitely not least, we have the Rew XC Foldable Laptop Stand. This sleek, ergonomic stand is compatible with laptops from 10 to 16 inches, including popular models like MacBook, Dell, and HP. It features height adjustment up to 7.48 inches, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle whether you're sitting or standing. The durable aluminum alloy construction, along with non-slip silicone pads on the base and hooks, ensures your laptop stays securely in place. The foldable design makes it portable and easy to carry, perfect for those on the move. Plus, it has extra space at the bottom to store small items like your phone or keys. Each of these stands has something unique to offer, so pick the one that fits your needs best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.